Here we come to the elevator. Owens Hall, Winthrop University, Rock Hill. It's a Schindler. 3. Ooh. Nice. Traction. This is traction. Look at these fixtures. Okay, push 2 into R. Come on. Door close button does not work on Schindler elevators. Ooh, it opens over here. Wow, I like that. As we know, the door close button does not work. Here we go, going back down. Push 1 and 1R. Wow, nice. These are Schindler 408 traction. Wow, cool. Come on. There we go. Here's that certificate. Going back to... And go G and GR. It's closing. Wow. One more down. This one doesn't serve the 3R. Here we are. See if the bell works. It does. This is a brand new elevator. There it goes. And that's it. Hey, what happened?